Guys, welcome back to Shop Toys. Check this out from another one from Dora the Explorer. This is the Pony Carriage Adventure. So it comes with a cute little Dora doll, little plastic action figurine. She's got a pony here that is pulling the pony carriage that she can fit in. This is super cute and fun. They partnered with Fisher-Price on this one. So Dora's Pony Adventures, Pony Carriage Adventure, and there's, let's see, Dora and Lickety Split, Dora and Bella. So you can create a world of pony adventures with Dora. Super fun little set from Dora the Explorer. That is cool. It's the Pony Carriage Adventure. Way cool.